In this exercise, I will show you how to use this reference so that you can generate the code. Here, looking at the width and height of the rectangle. Okay, according to second constructor, we have an object R1 as 4.0 and then 40.0 as width and height. Sometimes we can say this as 4.0 and 40.0. R2 3.5, 35.9, or we say this. So instead of saying R1, R2, I will say this 4.0, this 3.5, but you know exactly which object has a 4.0, 3.5. Okay, if we understand the concepts, okay, this width of object, okay, let's say the first object R1, we say this width equal to new value, for example 4.0. So we can say this dot width equal to width, and then here we can say height, this dot height. So this height refers to this object's height. So we can apply same concepts for class design. Okay, let me give you one more example how to quickly generate the code. For example, set area. Instead of typing, we have a get area. Normally we have a match set and get methods. So here, right hand side mouse click, insert code. We are looking for setter. We are looking at area, which we don't have one. Set area methods. We call it as a setter. Okay, generate. So when you look at the code, it says the area, this area equal to area. So it does exactly the same thing. We can use insert code to generate the code more quickly. Do I have to change anything? No. It shows same output 4.0, 40, and 160, 88 parameter. So it's working. Okay. Now you can see how productive it is. So if you look at here, we have a parameter with a get parameter methods. So you may consider adding set parameter, insert code, setter, select the parameter, generate. Here you go, we have a set parameter methods. You can go up to 2 more additional data fields, width and height. Let me just add it after constructor. Insert code. This time I will select getter and setter. So we can have a pair of methods for height and width. Here you go, we have a get width and height, and then get height and set height. So make sure you understand how to use this reference. That's quite useful. That's all. Thank you.